Lecture 11. Saving projects in different file formats. Imagine finishing your video project and then realizing the recipient can't open the file. Or worse, you upload it on social media and the quality looks terrible. That's why knowing how to save projects in different file formats is just as important as the editing itself. In today's lecture, we will learn how Filmora lets you save your projects in a variety of formats, so your videos always look their best. Whether they are being emailed to a professor, uploaded to YouTube, or played at a live event. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the most common file formats for video exports. Choose the right format for different uses: web, social, presentations, archiving. Save and manage Filmora project files for future editing. Recognize the balance between quality and file size when exporting. 2 kinds of saving in Filmora. Saving the project file, .wfp. This is like saving your essay as a draft. It keeps all your edits, but it's not a playable video. Only Filmora can open this type of file. Use it if you plan to come back and keep editing. For that, you can just click in here as File and click on Save Project, or you can press Ctrl+S as well. For that, you can just click in here and you can just name it, for example, Filmora course project file, and here you can see it is .wfp, and when you just click on save, it has been saved with this name as we have just given it. Exporting to a video file. This creates a finished product that can be played on any device. Formats vary depending on your purpose. For example, when you just click in here as export, and here you will have multiple options. When you just click in here, you have all those options available. Common video file formats. For example, when you just click in here, you will have all these multiple options when you just save this file. For example, when you just click in here, you will have multiple options to export in this format. MP4, the most widely used format, works for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, presentations, and more. Great balance of quality and small file size. Next we have MOV, popular on Apple devices. High quality but larger file sizes. This is often used for professional projects or presentations. WMV works best with Windows applications. Smaller size but sometimes lower compatibility outside Windows. AVI, very high quality but produces extremely large files. Best for archiving or when maximum detail is needed. Practical example. If you're uploading your project to YouTube, MP4 is ideal. But if you're submitting a film festival entry where maximum quality is expected, MOV or AVI might be better choices. Balancing file size and quality. Higher quality means larger file size. For example, when you just click in here as MOV, the size becomes 30.4 MB. But when you just convert it to MP4, it is 120 MB estimated. And when you just convert it to AVI, it is 30.2 MB. For web uploads, choose MP4 at 1080 pixel. It's a safe balance. For storage or backup, consider MOV or AVI, even if the file is bigger. Example, a student edits a 3-minute presentation video. Exporting in MP4 keeps it under 100 MB, which is easy to upload. Exporting the same project in AVI makes it 1 GB, making it harder to share. Best practices. Always save your project file before exporting, as this lets you re-edit later. Choose formats based on where the video will be viewed. Test your file by playing it on another device before submitting or uploading. Saving your project in the right format ensures your hard work reaches your audience in the best possible way. Whether you need small, shareable files or social media or high-quality versions for professional use, knowing your formats gives you control over how your video is experienced.